Yeah, my people, upful and mighty, upful and mighty, upful rise to each and every one. Yeah, from Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok. Yeah, greetings to each and every one. All right. Yes, there's a lot of comments on a video that I do on a platform about the asthma. Yeah, anyone with asthma, and they keep asking how to boil the herb, how to use the herb. There are many questions asked. All right. So if you want to learn more, you can check out my YouTube channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut, Jamaican Farmers Hut, HUT. Yes. Don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can see when I put up our next video. All right. So yes, my people, love and greetings to you all. It's all about, at this time, I'm going to show you guys how to use the herbs, how to boil the herbs. All right. Yes, this video is for anyone with asthma. Yeah. You know, most of the time you're in a busy situation and then you get the feeling of that, what you'd call it, asthmatic, something like that. Yeah. Anyway, all right. For all the person with asthma walking around with the pump or the push, whatever you call it, yeah, this medicine, what I'm going to show you how to boil, is all about asthma. All right. It's supposed to be 4 herbs here, but I have the herbs leave to quail. You know, the merengue is very soft. All right. The merengue is very soft. By one day, the leaf them start to drop off. Once it start to quail, all the leaf are start to drop off. You understand? So I don't have the merengue. Merengue is supposed to be here, but I don't have the merengue. So I have here with me the oregano, the neem, and the vervine. Yes, my people. So look on the amount of neem. You see the amount? Just look. Just do an estimate of the amount of neem I have here. Look at on the vervine. Yeah, this amount is good for half gallon of water. As you can see, don't go too strong on the oregano because it is very strong. So as you can see, this is 2 small leaf and 2 big leaf. Yeah, as I tell you in the first video, it take a while to quail. Yeah, it take a while to quail. And my people, when you notice plants that take long to quail, it is organic and it is a powerful plant to the human body. Take for instance, the leaf of life is the same way. It take a while before it quail. You understand? Yes, very powerful plant. Yeah, and it doesn't matter how dry the earth is, it's still green. Yeah, just like the Single Bible. But we all know that the Single Bible full of starch, don't it? Yeah, so I'm trying to use organic plants here, herbs here. All right, my people. So as you can see, I said before, the merengue is supposed to be here. The merengue can be same amount just like the neem. You understand? But the merengue quail, all the leaves are off, so I have them into a bag. Put there. This is the oregano. 2 big leaf, 2 small leaf. All right. The neem, look on the neem. This is the amount of neem. This is the amount of vervine. Yeah, half gallon of water, my people. Half gallon of water, my people. You're going to put them into a pot. Throw the half gallon of water into it, into the pot. Put it on the stove. Leave it to boil. Once it starts to boil, give it 1 minute boiling. After 1 minute, once it starts to boil up, give it a minute to boil. After a minute, turn off the stove. Yeah? Or if not, you draw the hood them from underneath the fire. Yes? You know them long time original, what we would call it? Those long time stove? Yes, you draw the hood from underneath the fire. Alright. And let it cool. After it cool, you can buckle it, you can keep it on your fridge. Yeah? The way how to take it now, at bedtime when you go into your bed. Yeah? You know, I'm gonna get one of those cup. The rum cup. Do you know the rum cup? Yeah? We all know the rum cup, right? I'm gonna get a cup to show you the size. It is much easier to use that cup. You can also use this one also, the soup cup. You can also use the soup cup, but it is best to use the rum cup. Yeah, let me get the rum cup. This is the rum cup. Yeah, this is the same liquor cup that they use at the bar. So yes, my people, this is it. This is it. Half cup of this. Bedtime when you're going to your bed. Half cup when you're going to your bed. Yeah? Half cup after boiling it. Half cup, bedtime. Yeah? Because you know, when you're taking herbs, you have to sleep. And it's going to make you sleep. So it is when you sleep, only when you sleep your body heal, you know. If you don't sleep, your body is not going to heal. You understand? So it is only when you sleep, your body heal. So when you're going to your bed, again, half cup of the drink. Yeah? If it's kids, quarter cup. Yeah? Adult, half cup. Alright? Yeah? If you drink the whole cup, it don't do anything, you know. But guess what? Let me reframe myself. If you drink the whole cup, it don't do anything. But listen me. If you're well thirsty and you drink 1 gallon of water, that 1 gallon of water gone to waste. It don't go anywhere. Because your system only take a tip. You understand? So the liquor you drink it still work because your body is only gonna take a little tip each time you drink. The best way to drink water is to full amount of water. That's it. And then you swallow. That's it. Because your body is only going to take a tip. So when you're thirsty again, you take a next. You full a big glass of water. This is not that big, but a big glass of water, and you drink it all. It not go nowhere. Just a little tip. Yeah, just like when you drink roots. When I'm drinking roots, this half cup of roots. Yeah, and I sip it until it finish, because if me full this a roots and drink it, it's only a little tip going to drop in my balls. You know what I mean? Just a little bit going into your system. So, for kids, quarter cup for kids. For adults, half cup. Yeah, half cup at bedtime when you're going to your bed. Yeah? So again, me people, look on the amount. So if you want to go to 1 gallon of water, you're going to use 2 times of this. 1 gallon of water, 2 times of this. 1 gallon of water, 2 times of this. Yeah, make sure this is the most. Yeah, because the vervine, yeah, it work wonders. So you can have the vervine the most. Yeah. Remember the merengue, but I don't have the merengue here because all the leaves drop off. All right. So the merengue is the same as this, as the name. So yes, my people, that was all the information about how to take the medicine for the asthma. And listen up now. Save the best for last. Persons with asthma, no smoking, no drinking. All right? Yes. Because you have to keep the lungs clear for the herbs to work. You understand? Yes. It is just like sinus, you know. It is just like sinus. Yeah. Most people with sinus, and when them drink this herb, them don't have the sinus until certain time them tap drink it and the sinus come back. Them sinus start to affect them again. You understand? Yes, so no drinking, no smoking when drinking this herb. So my people, my name is Everslick. I'm gonna be out. So I will see you in the next video. The next video is anyone with heart problem. That is the next video on YouTube here, Jamaican Farmers Hut. So go and check it out. All right, the link is gonna in the description, so you can check it out. All my link is gonna be in the description. My phone number, WhatsApp number, everything in the description. So if you don't watch the video this far, you're not gonna get these information. All right. So my people, stick and stay. One love. Love God and live. Seeing blessings.